Okay, thank you so much, sir. Sonu, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much for participating. And now uh, we will go to the next participant, PP Padgan. Are you present, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm present here.
Okay, sir. Sir, you can share your screen now. And Sonu, sir, you can,
Yes.
he needs to share his screen. Okay, thank you, sir. Please continue, sir.
Okay, sir.
Professor.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Uh, Welcome. I'm Dr. Proful Padgan, Assistant Professor of Physics at Sri Shivaji Science and Arts College, Chikli District, Buldana. I'm going to present my paper entitled Effect of Digital Filtering on the Analysis of Surface Deformation Using Electronic Speckle Pattern Interferometer. Um, so the abstract of my paper is that digital filtering is an essential part of electronic speckle pattern interferometer, which is being used widely to study surface deformation. Raw speckle pattern needs digital filtering before it is used for further analysis, and many times multiple use of digital filtering leads to change in quantitative information of surface under study. So this paper reports the effect of multiple uses of various digital filter on the calculated surface deformation values. Multiple uses of various digital filtering leads to loss in speckleness of the pattern, indicating a decrease in speckle noise and marginal and in some cases significant change in the surface displacement values. So the intro. This is my introduction. So electron. Firstly of all, we have to know what is speckle pattern interferometer. So electron speckle pattern interferometer is a technique which probe changes in the speckle pattern to quantify surface deformation. Speckle pattern obtained before and after deformation are used for calculating the changes in the surface. So temporal multi-step phase shifting method and other one method is that Fourier transform method is can be used to study the surface deformation. But temporal multi-step phase shifting technique is widely used technique for quantitative analysis. So before we apply temporal multi-step phase shifting method, we need to filter out the speckle images. So digital filtering is an essential for removing unwanted noise from the speckle interferogram. Various digital filters commonly used are median filter, average filter, and Gaussian filters. But the multiple use of above mentioned filtering technique can lead to significant change in surface displacement values. So multiple effect of multiple uses of various digital filtering technique on the speckle pattern on the retrieval of phase map are already reported by me in last paper. However, following points based on the previous study needs further probing to get complete picture. So first one is effect of multiple uses of various digital filter on 3D surface profile and corresponding line profile need to be probed. Effect of kernel size of digital filtering on the surface calculated effect of kernel size. So what kernel size affects the surface values. This is to be probed, and effect of multiple uses of the same digital filter on the surface profile values. Though this point um, need to probe. So in this article, we present detailed study on the multiple application of median, average, and Gaussian filter based on the above written points. So this is my experimental setup in which we have used HENE laser, and we can see here a beam splitter which splits the laser beam into two parts. First one is illuminate the object surface to have special filter assembly, and other part is the reference beam. After interfering on glass plate, we can get a speckle interferogram. If the object is change or any change in this object uh, can lead to change in speckle interferogram. So if we differentiate first one and second, then we can observe the fringe pattern on, and from this fringe pattern we can obtain the change in deformation. So this is my experimental setup for setup of temporal phase shifting electronic speckle pattern technique. So these are, I am directly coming on my result. So we can see here figure 2. This is the surface profile map when average filter with kernel size 3 by 3 was used at once. Means we use 3 by 3 filter at once, then later on 5 times, later on 10 times, and 15 times. So we can see the effect on the surface profile after using average filter with kernel size 3 by 3. Okay, so in figure 3, the same profile or same displacement is reported. So this is figure 3 is the surface profile map when median filter was used at once 5 times, 10 times and 15 times. We can see there is a lot of change. First one in figure 2 and figure 3. Okay, and this is the figure 4 which indicates the surface profile map when Gaussian filter was used, that for 1 5 times, 10 times and 15 times. So in figure 5, we use a surface, we use average filter with once 5 times, 10 times and 15 times. Here I want to say something. This figure 2, figure 3 and figure 4 is for average, median filter and Gaussian filter. But in figure 5, figure 6 and figure 7 is for only for average filters. Okay, so figure 5 shows the surface profile map when average filter with kernel size 3 by 3 was used at once 5 times, 10 times and 15 times. In the figure 6 we can see the surface profile maps when average filter with kernel size 7 by 7 was used at once 5 times, 10 times and 15 times. And this is the figure 7. We can see the difference in surface profile when average filter and other median and Gaussian filter when used. We can see a lot of difference. So after using average filter with kernel size 17 by 17, we can see the clear surface map. And if we and yes, here is a figure 8. We can see there is a peak in middle of this graph. So by
Last 1 minute, please.
okay sir, sorry. So figure 8 shows the line profile of surface displacement plots after first iteration, fifth iteration and 10th iteration. And this is the figure 9, shows the line profiles of surface displacement after first, fifth, 10th and 15th iterations. And from this we have calculated the displacement values. So this shows displacement. Figure 10 shows the peak displacement versus iteration of various digital filters. So conclusion of my paper is detailed analysis of concerning effect of multiple uses of various digital filtering technique on speckle pattern, wrapped and unwrapped phase map, and finally to surface profile calculated from it presented. So it was observed that digital filtering of speckle pattern is an essential step in obtaining meaningful surface displacement plots from ESPI. Multiple uses of digital filtering lead to some loss of speckleness, but ultimately yield a realistic surface displacement values of the object under study. So average filtering technique is faster way to get realistic surface displacement values than any other filtering technique used in the study. So average filtering with larger kernel size reduce noise quicker than with the same filter having smaller kernel size. So median and Gaussian filtering are good at preserving speckleness of pattern but not reliable for obtaining phase map and surface profile from it. In fact, median filtering is better than Gaussian filtering method but inferior to average filtering method. So average filtering with 17 by 17 kernel size seems to be topmost choice for obtaining cleaner phase map and realistic surface displacement plot. So acknowledgement, authors are very much thankful to head of physics department Sant Gadke Baba Amravati University Amravati for providing us necessary facilities. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes sir.
Thank you, PP sir.
Yes sir.
Anyone have any question? Any question? Any doubt? Okay. Thank you.
Okay
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Sir,
Welcome sir.
one question, please.
Yes sir.
Uh, the number of mirrors which you have used in the spectrometer is 5.
Yes sir.
Uh, does it mean the intensity of the laser becomes small
No
by
sir, no sir. It
this
is
much of reflections?
for interference pattern. If we want to get an interference pattern on the screen, we need it means reference beam path length and object beam path length need to be same for getting speckle interferogram. That's why we have used multiple mirrors there.
Okay.
Okay sir.
Thank you.
Yes sir.
Thank you, Sarma sir.
Yes.
Thank you, Professor.
Welcome sir.
We will move to the next paper, 1132. Sonu sir, you are still here? Sonu Sen? Sonu Sen, Meenu madam? 1132. I am audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
1160. Shall we move to 1160 then?
Yes, sir.
1160. R Singh and A Bhargav
Yes, sir.
are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1160. Design of two-dimensional CPC for application.